If you're searching for a refrigerator repair, we understand there's a chance that you might be in a bit of a hurry to find someone to help you. After all, a refrigerator that isn't working can mean a lot of food may end up going bad very soon, costing you money and putting you and your family at risk of eating spoiled food. No one can afford that, right? Still, you probably have a lot of questions like, how quickly can I get my refrigerator repaired? Can my refrigerator be fixed, or will I need to buy a new one? If my refrigerator needs new parts, how long will that take? The good news for you is that we've helped hundreds of homeowners just like you get their refrigerators working again quickly and easily, and often for far less money than what they were expecting. In fact, our customers often tell us things like, "I was so impressed with your service and how quickly you got here," and "I was so thankful that the bill was so much less than what I expected." The truth is, there are a lot of different things that could be the cause of needing a refrigerator repair. However, you can rest assured that with our years of hands-on experience and constant, ongoing training, we're confident that we can help you too, regardless of whether it's a major repair or just a small tweak to get things running again. Don't wait another minute while the food in your refrigerator goes bad. Call for an appointment right now so we can get a technician out to you right away and have your refrigerator running smoothly and properly again for you in no time.